What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. The Samsung Galaxy Buds are really cool and amazing earphones, and I've had them for over a week now, and I am definitely impressed with them. They sound good, they're fun to play with, and they're just overall cool headphones. You can see right here. And one thing that has actually affected me and has affected someone else I know by the name of Luke, you know who you are, is volume. At one point we were like, dude, the volume is really low on this. Why can we not fix this? And I was racking my brain, and partly racking my brain because off the bat, there's really no way to control these earphones volume. You can do it through the volume on your phone. You can press it all the way up, and it still is kind of low. And lo and behold, it's actually a pretty easy fix. So let's get into that fix. So swipe up and go into the Galaxy Wearable app. Once you're in here, you want to go into the touchpad, so touchpad, and then you want to be able to change the volume with the earbud, because that's the issue basically. If you have the volume all the way up on your phone for volume and it's still not giving you loud enough volume to hear the music or what you consider loud enough, then you want to switch these. Instead of it having like quick ambient sound, you want to have it be volume up, so that when you press and hold the earbud, the volume will automatically go up. And at that point, as long as you set this to max volume, once you do that, you can come back into here, into this app, and change this back to quick ambient sound or whatever you had it set at. That way your volume is maxed out on the earphones, and then you can manually control it with your phone and be safe that way, because it's always gonna have two volumes, one for the phone and then one for the earbuds. But again, if you set this to max volume, it should stay at that max volume. So there you guys go. Hopefully that fix was easy enough for you and helped you out, guys, a ton, because I was affected by it a little bit. And again, it's a really, really easy fix. You just go into the settings of the app, change these to volume, and then press and hold on the earbud that controls the volume going up, and that's it. And then you're good to go. And basically, Bluetooth earphones and headphones always have two separate volumes. They have a volume on the phone, and then they have a volume on the headphone or earphone themselves. And obviously this was too low, so I had to raise that, and that fixed the issue. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to pick these up, I'll link them down below. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace!